Hi, this is Peter Griscom, and today we're going to talk about Flush. Flush is one of Xyngular's core products, and when we talk about the systems that this product comes in, it's in the core, the ignite, and the ultimate, which means it's obviously crucial for successful health transformations. Well, most of us don't think about cleansing as a key component of effective weight loss, but in fact it is. When you think about your diet over the past 10, 15, 20 years, however long it's been that you've been consuming those unhealthy options, in addition to the environmental toxins that you're exposed to, on top of the fact that you're now undergoing a rapid health transformation, there's a lot of moving pieces. And as a side effect of that, you have things like fat-soluble toxins being released back into the bloodstream. You have things like excess waste that you're carrying around in your colon and water retention associated with a change in your diet. All of those things can derail successful health transformations. So Flush is the product that helps us address those. In addition to dandelion to help promote liver health and help reduce water retention, you also have other components in here as well to help promote healthy colon function as well as to help cleanse the colon. In addition to ingredients that also are going to help with healthy digestion, so therefore improve the absorption of all the other products. Now when it comes to using Flush, there's a couple things you should remember. First and foremost, you're taking Flush at night. So you should always be consuming Flush with adequate amounts of water. Flush is not a product, by the way, as a cleansing product that's going to have you running to the restroom right away. It's a gentle cleanser. Our guidebooks will tell you exactly when and how to use Flush for the optimal results and to maintain health. Flush is a great addition to your regimen. If you haven't yet purchased your Core, Ignite, or Ultimate, in which Flush is a key component, I recommend you do that now.